Understanding manifestation. In the early stages, manifestation can be confusing. It's common to feel uncertain about how to process thoughts during meditation or why results aren't immediately visible. However, everything on this planet Earth operates on certain laws, rules, and principles, so the same applies to manifestation. The words "I am" are the most powerful in the process of manifesting desires, whether related to money, health, relationships, or any other aspects of life. The key message is that these two words are crucial for aligning one's thoughts and energy with the universe to achieve desired outcomes. Power of I am. The words "I am" are central to effective manifestation. They are seen as powerful affirmations that not only affirm your desires, but also align your energy with them. For example, instead of saying "I want wealth," you should say "I am wealthy," which signals to the universe that you already possess what you're seeking. However, you need to believe in what you are saying. You have to find the best possible statement that you inwardly agree, otherwise it will not have any effect. Maybe you can say, "I am doing so much good with the wealth I have." Or you can be more specific, "I am using my wealth to support Children's Hospital." Make sure that what you say after "I am" has the power of your true beliefs and feelings. The role of vibration and sound. I am has a powerful sound vibration. It is the name of our Creator, and it is believed to connect individuals with the universe's vibrational frequency of manifestation. Practical exercise. A 21-day challenge is suggested where you write down your manifestations every day for 12 minutes, always starting with "I am." The exercise aims to amplify the energy and emotions behind these affirmations, helping to make the manifestations a reality. You need to bask in the powerful energy and manifesting vibration frequency of "I am" till it becomes your vibrational frequency. Visualization as a memory. I encourage to treat your manifestations as if they are already memories, visualizing them as events that have already happened to reduce feelings of insecurity and enhance the manifestation process. Here is the process to follow. 1. Identify "I am" plus your desired outcome, which you totally identify with and back up with your firm beliefs. 2. Feel it deep in your heart, your mind, your being. This is where you generate the emotions, which are the language of energy. 3. Write it while saying it for 12 minutes. Here you are using the power of sound and body. 4. Visualize it as if it has already happened and generate those emotions of gratefulness and joy. 5. Repeat it for 21 days till it becomes firmly part of your energy, part of your being. This is a simple guide to help people shift their mindset from wanting to being, using the phrase "I am" to rewire thoughts and align with the energy of the universe. This exercise will reinforce this mindset, combining writing, visualization, and emotional engagement to manifest desired outcomes. Thank you so much for connecting. Wishing you great manifesting of your deepest desires.